Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your remote back up to your Google TV streamer. So maybe it's not working and the original method doesn't work that well. Go over to the Google TV streamer and just hold down the button on the back of it. So if you hold down the button on the back of the actual device, it's going to bring you to the Bluetooth page where it says searching for accessories. Now it says hold down the back button and the home button until you see the light pulsing on the remote. So it should be very easy from there to reconnect this. Go to your remote, press the back button and the home button at the same time. And you're going to hear like the remote play a sound after like 10 seconds. And then you can let go. And you should be reconnected back up to your TV so you can watch Lizzie McGuire. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.